How to make the flickering glitch effect. Today's video is sponsored by John Cleese.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you did?
No.
You did, just then.
No, nonsense.
Make your clip a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Add a merge node. Bring a Luma keyer in empty space, and connect your clip to it. Increase the contract slider, and also increase the low value a bit. Bring a background node, in empty space, and connect the Luma keyer as a mask to the background. With the background node selected, right-click to the red slider, and select to modify with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness, and hit the Reseed button a couple of times. Go back to the Tools tab. Do the same thing for the other two color sliders. I'm doing my best to keep those videos short, so if you'll be kind enough to leave a comment, and give it a like, that would be nice, and will help this channel to grow more. If you don't like my stuff, you can share it with the people that you hate. Once you modified each color with shake, you'll end up with this flickering color. Connect the background node to the merge. Select the merge node. Change the apply mode to hard light and the edges to mirror. Right-click to the center value, and select to modify with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness. Set the minimum to 0.46, and the maximum to 0.54. Go back to the Tools tab. Right-click to the Blend slider, and select the expression. Write down this super complicated expression in the box, and you are ready. I'm thinking to expand the topic of my channel, to include more than just editing techniques. Do you have any suggestions? Maybe I will do some makeup tutorials, because as you can see, I have a huge female fanbase.